What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing blue.exe from Rainbow Friends. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the top edge of the brow. We leave a gap in the center. Let's draw 2 points, one on the left and one on the right. Now from these 2 points we're going to curl up the brow, coming in and then up towards the inside. Let's go to the bottom left and draw a straight angle line going up and then out. Now I'm going to raise the right eye, starting back down here, bend this up, and then out. Now we're going to draw the bottom of the left eye with a half circle. Let's start from the edge of the brow, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then pull that up on the inside. Now I want to do the same thing on the right. We're just going to tuck this in along the top. Go down towards the same height, and draw that circle, going all the way around, and just tuck that in. Now on the left side, I'm going to draw a small oval tucked in underneath the brow. Starting at the top, come around towards the bottom, and then pull that up. Now let's fill the outside of the eye in black, going around that pupil. Now on the right side, we're going to draw a thick X. Let's start right in the middle, start with a point, go up towards the eyelid, go up towards the right. I'm just going to flatten off the ends, come in along the side. Now I'm going to draw the bottom half of that X. Going down, flatten off the ends, and then go back up in the middle. Now let's fill the outside of the eye in black, going around that X. Now just below the eyes, we're going to draw the top edge of the mouth. Starting over on the left, we're going to leave a little gap, curve this down and then up. Let's round out the side of the mouth, just pull that in towards the bottom. And close out the bottom with a curve. Down and then back up. Let's separate the teeth in the center with the zigzag pattern. Starting right in the middle, come down toward the left, and then up, come down and then back up. Do the same thing on the right. Now you want to surround the face with a large circle, but we're going to place the crown on the top left side of the head. Let's line up at the top corner of the eye, step up. We're going to start with the left side of the head. Going all the way around, come down and in just underneath the mouth. Let's go all the way around the right side, go up. Now I'm just going to bend this over towards the left, towards the top center of the head. Let's connect these two lines with a curve, going down toward the bottom of the crown, and then back up. Now from these 2 points, we're going to angle the crown, going up and out. Let's add 2 points, going down and in. And we'll add 1 point in the center. Now we want to wrap that crown along the back, so we're going to add 2 more points in between those gaps. Now going back to the top left side of the eye, I'm just going to curl this around, going around and then down. Let's add a scar above the eye, going up and in, out and then down. Now we want to drip some blood coming down from the eyes. Let's start from the outside, out, and then up. Round at the top, come down, and then up in behind the mouth. Let's go to the top, then this up and in. Let's go to the inside of the right eye, then this down in behind the mouth. Come down towards the bottom, step over, then this up. Go to the side of the mouth, I'm just going to add some more drips. Coming down and up, come down, and just pull that up towards the side of the eye. Now we're going to add some more blood coming down from the crown. Start from the top left, then it's down, up, go across. Let's add 1 more drip coming down, and then back up underneath the crown. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. Start over on the left side, just beneath the head. Feel the body going out and down towards the hip. Let's line this up on the right, bringing that down towards the same height. Now from the hips, we're going to step in towards the middle, step down and add a curve, going up and then down in between the legs. Now leaving a gap in the center, let's go to the left side. Bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel, go to the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. From the left heel, bend the foot, going down and then up towards the outside of the feet. Now I'm going to go back to the left side and draw the top of the foot. We're going to go up and bend that down towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. And then we're going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. We'll bend this out and then come down on top of the feet. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the arms. From the top of the body, let's step down, bend the arm going up and then down. Let's round out the hand, pull this up along the side and then in towards the side of the head. Now we're going to add some blood across the hands. Let's start from the top. Just going to bend this in. Just going to add a wave going all the way around towards the bottom of the arm and then back down. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from the bottom and then just working our way up towards the top of the arm. Let's add a splash effect across the arms. We're going to add the various size circles along the top. And we're also going to add some blood dripping down the center of the body. Let's start underneath the chin on the left, come in, and down, and at the bottom going up. Just going to drip that down lower in the middle, pull this back up towards the right, add a short drip, and then bend that back out. Let's add some more splatters across the body. And we'll have some blood dripping down from the hands. Let's start from the outside on the left, and in, come down, right at the bottom, going up. Just add a wave going up towards the inside of the arm. Let's do the same thing on the right. Just gonna go a little bit shorter on the right side. And we'll add some blood across the bottom of the feet. Start from the outside. Adding that wave pattern, going across. Just add some on the right heel. And we'll add some splatter effect. Now we're going to add a pull underneath the left foot. Start from the outside, go out and in, and then out, come across the bottom. I'm just going to pull this around and back in behind the inside of the foot. And then we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Blue.exe from Rainbow Friends. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want to draw more characters like this, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.